Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is write in the given information. So we know that the measure of angle 1 is 37 degrees. So I'm going to put that right here, 37 degrees. All right, we also know that the measure of angle 4 is 92 degrees. So that's right here. Okay, the next angles to get up here are, the easy ones would be the vertical angles. So remember, vertical angles, if two lines intersect, they are the angles across from each other. There's two pairs of vertical angles when two lines intersect. So here's a pair right here. They're opposite across from each other. There's another pair right here. Okay, so using vertical angles, we can find some more angles up here. Vertical angles are always equal to each other. They are the same measure. Okay, so let's go up here. The vertical angle to angle 1 would be angle 3. These are vertical angles right here, angle 1 and angle 3. So angle 3 would also be 37 degrees. Okay, let's look at the vertical angle with 4. Angle 4 and this angle right here are vertical angles. So this angle here has to be 92 degrees because vertical angles are equal. Okay, so now we can fill in the rest of this picture up above. We're missing two angles here and here by using supplementary angles. All right, I'm going to trace this line with a, let's do yellow. All right, I want you to look at this line right here. Okay, these three angles, 1, 2, 3, they form a straight line. So those three angles have to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so to get this angle right here, I can take 180 minus this angle, minus 92, minus this angle here, minus 37. Okay, so this angle right here has to be 51 degrees. Okay, now the angle that's vertical to that is our missing angle right here. These two angles are vertical, so this also has to be 51 degrees. Okay, so this angle is 37, it's vertical to 3, 37, vertical angles are equal. This angle was given to us, 92, it's vertical to this angle, these two are 92, and I found this angle using supplementary angles. These three angles form this straight line, they must add up to 180, and then I got the last angle using vertical angles again. So now I can fill in the rest of my angles. So let's look at here, angle CGE. I'm going to trace that in green. All right, C, I start at C. I go to the middle, G, and then I go to E. Okay, so to get that angle, I just add these two together, 37 plus 92. All right, angle 2, we already figured out, that is right here. And AGC, I'm going to trace that in, let's see, what can I trace it with, what's left? I'll trace it in red, AGC. So we start with A, we go to the middle G, and then we go out to C. So to get that angle, I would just add 51 to 92. Hey, let me know if this helps. Thanks.